There are 5 myths when it comes to multifamily investing. Number 1 is that it is only for the ultra extreme wealthy. And that is bullshit, because I was broke as shit before I bought my first apartment building. Number 2 is that you have to be an expert in the space before you can perform in the space. That is the chicken before the egg. Listen, you learn, you grow, and that is where number 3 comes in, which is that you gotta do this shit all on your own. You do not need to do it all on your own, man. Number 3, I would tell you, is you got to bring in partners. You leverage the experience from your partners, which then gives you experience to be able to do what you need to do. Number 4 is that you should start with single family properties. That is not true, man. People will tell you to start with single family because that is how they started, and that is how I started, and that is not how I wish I started. Listen, I'm glad that I started. I wish that I would have known how to buy apartment buildings before buying single family, because I hated those damn things. And then number 5 is similar to number 1, which it takes money to make money. That is false, man. It does not take money to make money. It takes value to make money. Value creation leads to wealth creation, which is why you raise capital, because that provides value. Why you buy these big apartments, that provides more housing. And once again, value creation leads to wealth creation. Think bigger, not smaller. Let's go.